Hi, greetings. Assuming that you have purchased this Sorruitten FinTech Basic tr Finance Tracker app and you have already submitted the volume disk ID number, you will get this setup file in a digital format. So you can double click on this setup file. Once it is double clicked, you will get this setup wizard. Please click on next, and then you can browse and open the folder where you want to store. I've created a folder by the name Ultra TechBiz. Please open that and then create a folder inside that. So you can create this as per your comfort. And then say next, and say yes here for the control access. And that's it. Your setup is complete. You now need to go to the relevant folder. So let me quickly go to the relevant folder where we just installed it. So click on that. There you see Ultra TechBiz. Then you need to quickly go to this file path where it says the Sorruitten Basic FinTech app, www.ultratechbiz.com, and look at this logo as well and its file type application. So you need to select this file, right click on it, and then say show more options and pin to taskbar. So automatically this comes and sits here in the taskbar. Remember not to tamper with any of the other files as it may affect the installation and further working of the app. So this is the only file that you need to right click and then pin it to taskbar. So now let us open it directly from here. Just double click on that taskbar icon that we just pinned. Double click on it. There you see it opens up. It opens up and then it tells database is successfully initialized. I say OK. It says the license is verified successfully now. Then I say OK. So the app opens up. I'll expand it nicely so that it is clearly viewable. Now this is the interface of this app. So this is the income expense data entry section where you have the income and expense category data entry section. Then this is the reports section where you can do the basic data analytics. And this is the category addition that you need to do. So you may have categories like grocery, utilities. So probably income goes into probably your monthly salary or probably rental house proposition that you get on a monthly basis. Expense can be grocery, can be utilities, credit card bills, so on and so forth. So reports, you have the bar chart for the expense, pie chart for the expense. You also have the all expense records view. This will list all the records alone. Between these two date frames, and you also have the all income records view. And here you need to add the categories. You can input the categories here and say add income category and add expense category accordingly. So let us quickly do a quick demo. So I select income data entry. So quickly it pulls the income data entry list that is already available. So I'm quickly scrolling through it. So you see this is the last entry that it has. So I quickly come here to income category and I add another category. So I'm adding say what can be in income. I can add a special income. Okay, and then I say income category add, you see you get a successful message here. So now if I come back to the income category and check the data, I will see the special income is added here. So this is a quick verification that our execution is going on correctly. Similarly, I would see data in the expense as well. So if you quickly see, this is the last entry in the expense category. I will quickly go to expense and then write input special expense and then say expense category add. I get a success message. I say OK. So let me quickly check. So I select expense here and then quickly see. There you see the special expense is added. So we can verify these two inputs correctly. Now let us quickly add a data entry. So I'm going to select the one that we just created, special income, and then I would put miscellaneous income and then put a special amount against it, say 49,000. The currency is the local currency at your place, and then I say upload data. Yes, it is successfully uploaded. And then I come back to expense category and similarly I make an input under special expense. Remember, you have to select this. You cannot leave it like this and then say upload data. It will say you have not selected everything. So you have to first choose the one and then select it so that it turns blue in color and then you proceed. Else you will get an error. Please make a note of the same. And then I say miscellaneous expense and I put 53,000. Then I say upload data. Here you see, throws a success message. Okay. So now comes we have verified this section and we have verified this section correctly. So the add categories and income expense data entry are complete. So now it leaves us with the reports section. So quickly I select reports and then I will select a meaningful date from which the data is there. So you should also do the same, else it will throw a data error. So I will select today's date and then first let me see with the bar chart how it fares. But let me see the expense records first. There you see our recent record has shown up here, the amount and everything. So this is from the old day. So I have the now this is the expense records. I will now see the income records for the same date range. So the special income also has come up. You can always enlarge the view to see it properly. So this has come up well, miscellaneous income, and then I close this too, and then I run the pie chart. This is the special income that we just saw. So it's a huge chunk of the pie because the amount is quite large. I close it now. And then we see the bar chart and we again see the special expense being the huge chunk in the series of bar graph, and hence we conclude this product demo. Hope things were clear. Thanks for your time. Take care. Cheers. Bye.